Suppose you're working on a presentation and you have a hyperlink, but by default in PowerPoint we have all the hyperlinks with underline. So how to get rid of this underline? So first step is to, because since Microsoft doesn't give you any option of removing the underline from the hyperlink, so you have to first of all remove the hyperlink. So how do we do that? By just pressing the right key of your mouse and then click on hyperlink and then click on edit hyperlink, and from there just click on remove link. So now we have removed the link. Now what we have to do is we have to go to insert and then click on shape, and from there we have to select let's say a rectangle or a square, and then just create a kind of boundary. So you have drawn a square or a rectangle, and then you have to press right key of your mouse and then click on format shape. From there you have to just uh, click on no line, so we don't want any color, nor we don't want any background of it. So basically everything will be very transparent. So once it's done, click on OK and then press right key again and then click on hyperlink. From there you just have to type in your hyperlink, the URL to which you want the link to go, then click on OK. So now what we have done is we have removed the hyperlink from the text, but we have created a shape and over that area which you wanted to make clickable, and once or whenever a user will click on that area, that hyperlink will get activated and it will lead you to the URL you mentioned in the hyperlink. So just to try it, if we'll go to slideshow, let's click on play from start. Now here we can see that we have this thumb symbol which says that http://beingskill.com. So this is the URL which we mentioned in the hyperlink. So that's why if you will click on this, then it will take you to that particular URL which you mentioned while creating that hyperlink. So this is the process of removing underline. We don't really remove underline per se, but we just have another means of achieving the same goal, and the color of the text will remain intact, else it would have been different, and you would have changed it by following the steps which were discussed in earlier tutorial, which was to go to themes and then click on colors, and from there we have to click on create theme color, and then we have to choose the color which we want for the hyperlink. Thank you for watching the tutorial.